Hello.
Hello, I just got off the phone with James.
Okay.
I explained to him what's going on. He says, you get those kids in school. He says, they will put you in jail in Indiana.
Right.
I says, I know. And I explained to him, I told him about the Ohio school, and I told him what happened. I went through the wrong lane. I said it was like taking a grape and squeezing it. He says, oh, girl. I said, it was my fault. But I told him, I said, I'm not quitting. It's just, I got to get these kids taken care of, and I don't want to be homeless. And he says, I totally understand. He says, we'll be fine, Kim. When Eric will be fine, I'll pray for you. It's going to work out for you guys. And I told him I appreciated it and told him thank you. So.
Did you get my, I don't know if you got my message or not. But,
Yeah, I did right before I called you.
Yeah, I called Lance, believe it or not, he picked it up on the first. Oh my God.
What happened?
Oh, this fucking pickup truck with a trailer just fucking cut me right off, put me right over on the fucking shoulder.
Damn.
I saved it on my dash cam.
Right. Yeah, I gotta get dressed and get up there to Walmart.
But yeah, Lance, anyway, Lance, he answered on the first ring, and I says, so what can I do for you, Eric? I said, well, funny you should ask that. He says, I forgot to give you that, how much you still owe, right? He says, is that what you're calling for? I said, well, that too. I said, but, I wanted to find out how my credit was with you. And he goes, what do you mean? And I says, well, and I told him about the house. And I told him that we were short $1,200. He says, that's not a problem, Eric. He says, I'll have it to you this afternoon.
Damn.